मैं बस बहुत ट्रैफिक थी यहाँ पे आते वक्त, तो मैं बस परिणीति को फोन करके ही बोल रहा था कि जाने मन आ।
मैं भी आ रही थी अपने जाने मन के पास, बट मुझे 40 मिनट लग गए. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द डिले. आई अपोलोजाइज. बट वील मेक इट अप. वील शो यू अ गुड सॉन्ग एंड वील मेक इट अप.
आई थिंक ये बहुत स्पेशल सॉन्ग है मेरे लिए और परिणीति के लिए. फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर पेयरिंग टुगेदर एंड इट्स प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम डिशुम. ये जुनैद के लव ट्रैक को कंप्लीट करता है. व्हेन यू वॉच द फिल्म आपको उसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता चलेगा. बट जस्ट वांट टू टेल परिणीति थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस for us and
Stop being
embarrass her on
formal,
this stage.
VD. No. I'm very excited because I've never done anything like this before. Just, to be a heroine, it was fun, and so you're technically my first hero.
Oh, अर्जुन कपूर खुश नहीं हो गए सुन के, पर
And Ranveer Singh.
And Ranveer Singh, I hope you're hearing. No, but thank you for doing this, and I think we won't talk much. You all should see the song, and we are also watching it with you all actually for the first time. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू कि ये प्योर डांसिंग है जो पहले होता था. आजकल के टाइम इतना वो हमारा इंडियन टाइप का डांसिंग नहीं होता है. सो बहुत हिप हॉप करते हैं. आई हैव बीन डूइंग सो मच हिप हॉप. दिस फुल हिंदी फिल्म डांसिंग आफ्टर वाइल. तो वी होप दैट सब लोग नाचेंगे गाने देख के. तो लेट्स प्ले द सॉन्ग.
Cool. Let's have the song, ladies and gentlemen.
द थिंग, नहीं, मैं पहले बोलना चाहती हूँ, जब भी मैं कोई वरुण के साथ इवेंट करती हूँ या कुछ भी करती हूँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो रुको गाइज. No. Stupid.
हिट है गाना. ये लगा ना कि ईद अभी खत्म हुआ है तो होना चाहिए ना कुछ धमाल अभी. No, but thank you. I think lot of credit goes to परिणीति क्योंकि इस गाने के लिए हमें genuinely सिर्फ 2 दिन मिले थे रिहर्सल के लिए. And there's a one take in this song जो परिणीति एक्चुअली लाइव करना चाहती थी फॉर सम रीजन, और मैंने बोला कि नहीं उसमें गलती हो जाएगी, हम लोग एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे. that full thing is a one take that we did, and we got literally I think a day. Actually we learned it in a day.
Yeah, we learned it in a day. In fact हमने बहुत एंथू कटलेट्स की तरह रिहर्सल की वीडियोस निकाली हैं जो हम रिलीज करेंगे. वो मेरे फोन में है. तो मैं उसको रिलीज करूंगी आप लोगों को प्रूव करने के लिए कि हम लोग कर सकते हैं, हम एक्सपोज नहीं होते. बट genuinely I don't think I've ever had so much fun shooting something. मैंने अपनी बॉडी पे बहुत काम किया. आज मेरे पास एब्स हैं वरुण की वजह से. So I'm very happy. Obviously आप सब जानते हैं, I've been working on myself for a really long time, and I wanted to show it on the right platform. So when VD spoke to me about this song, it was the perfect platform, and I wanted to work with him, and I'm so glad everything just came together, and it was a great song, and we had so much fun. And he was giving me fitness tips and what to eat the night before, and what to eat during the shoot, and what to eat before a take. So now I've also learned how to give a body shot like all these boys, and thankfully it's showing.
It's totally showing. I think we'll leave it to you all to ask some questions. We are obviously very happy right now. 2 साल में हो जाएंगे तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे.
Okay, fine.
नहीं क्योंकि पहले शादी होगी, 1 साल हनीमून करेंगे, फिर
Plan set, it's very technical.
टेक्निकल है. हाँ,
Okay,
फैमिली प्लानिंग.
Hi Varun, this
क्या-
is Urvi. You're from Pink Villa.
Hi Urvi, what's up? How's it going?
Good.
Arya, brother.
Yeah.
Hi.
The song is stunning, and you guys look absolutely amazing. Was there a conscious thing to recreate something kind of a Govinda Karishma kind of a chemistry?
I think I'm going to let Pariniti answer this.
Yeah. We'll be very honest. Yes, that was really that's what we wanted to do. He's very energetic. I have a lot of energy, not as much as him, of course. But I think for him and I to do something in this space seemed to be the best idea. And also Dishum already has a couple of songs which are, so different in their vibe. So, the third song had to be different and had to be, us, I think. I think we both were a perfect fit for this world. And of course, Ahmed sir, wanted the performance and, the expressions which of course we used to see in the 90s. So yeah, we tried. I don't know if we're going to be killed for it, but we tried our best.
It's got a little bit of that 90s ka wo theme hai, wo dhak, 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 dhak. That beat is like that. एंड आई थिंक परिणीति मी आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ यू ऑल वी ऑल ग्रोन अप ऑन इट, हम लोग सब ने सुना है, तो वो पसंद बहुत आता है, वो मतलब मेरे तो खून में है, तो आई थिंक वो सुनते ही मैं अपने आप हिलने लगता हूँ
या
हमेशा.
इसको सेट पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मिस्टर वरुण धवन को इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस बहुत पसंद है एंड मैं सोचती थी कि मैं स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टर हूँ
What was the improvisation on set? Tell them.
यू शुड टेल देम
You tell them. What happened to you?
यू जस्ट वर लाइक डाइंग
What did I
टू
do? Oh, was that? There's एक छोटी improvisation है इसमें क्योंकि
छोटी नहीं है, छोटी इसके हिसाब से.
kiss is a peck. I mean, it's not a kiss. So
Yeah, no, 1 second. I will tell you the story. Please understand. You
गाने
are not
गाना
gonna
में
say
ही
anything.
बोला है कि 2 साल में हो गए तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे में.
No,
तो
no. मैं सच बताना चाहती हूँ सबको कि हम लोग 2 दिन हमने रिहर्सल की, हमें लगा फुल ऑन डांस नंबर है, बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए. अब हम सेट पर हैं, मैं वैसे ही बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बॉडी शॉट्स चल रहे हैं, मैंने बहुत कम खाना खाया हुआ था, मैंने पानी नहीं पिया हुआ था. एंड सडनली यहाँ से आवाज़ आती है कि हम लोग किस करें क्या. व्हाट? नहीं, कहाँ से, क्यों? एंड रोहित वॉज नॉट ऑन सेट. रोहित जैसे ही सेट से निकला, वीडी को ये ब्रेन वेव आया कि मैं आज परिणीति को किस करूँ इस तो पहले 1-2 टेक्स हमने ट्राई किया कि हम लोग थोड़ा फेक करते हैं, हम लोग ऑफ कैमरा चले जाएंगे या ऐसा कुछ. हमने ये मेरे
परिणीति ने बोला कि यू कांट डू ऑल दिस इन टुडेज डे एंड एज, इफ यू वांट टू किस देन किस मी फुल ऑन. अभी मैं क्या
आई
करूं?
वाज डाइंग टू किस.
भोला लड़का अभी ऐसे कोई बोलेगा तो
नहीं, तो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग इंक्लूडिंग जो हमारे कोरियोग्राफर थे वो शॉक्ड थे पहले टेक के बाद क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं था हम लोग ये करने वाले. सो वी हैड लाइक दिस फुल स्टेप एंड एक 1 शॉट चल रहा था, ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक मोमेंट, एंड एट द एंड देयर वाज सडनली अ किस. सो आई थिंक इवन द डांसर्स, अहमद सर, एवरीबडी वाज इन शॉक कि ये क्या हुआ. एंड आई हैड टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर दैट इट वाज हिज आइडिया एंड नॉट माय आइडिया. Vidi, what is the reason that you wanted to kiss me? Please tell everybody.
Said in my ear that Varun, this song is, it's a baby making song.
Yeah, एक तो कल ट्विटर से मुझे पता चला कि there's so much kissing in this song. Suddenly, I'm biting your ear.
But yeah, you've done all this, Pariniti.
I was dying to.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Sorry, you all can. Sorry, आप पूछ रहे थे सर.
किसका मतलब इतना क्रिएटिव आइडिया भी हो गया और आपका काम भी हो गया. वरुण क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
काम भी हो गया मतलब.
What do you say about this, Just joking. I hope you take it on a lighter note.
No, I'm taking it. See, there was a
What
beat.
will you take? I have taken it.
Of course you have to.
There was that dhadadan. तो मेरे को लगा वो पहले dhadadan पे ऐसा होगा dhadadan and then dhadadan. ऐसा.
नहीं हमने.
नहीं हुआ.
करेंगे बाद में.
No, करेंगे. So आप ये सोचो कि मैं भोली बच्ची, मैंने कहा धड़ाडन, ये पोज होगा एंड में. बट धड़ाडन में क्या कुछ हो गया है, मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ अभी. But I think it was really cool. I also agreed with the idea. So
Creative idea.
It takes two,
Sorry,
yeah. It takes
Sorry,
two.
ma'am.
Hi Varun, hi Pariniti.
Hi.
I'm Astha from Movified. First of all, both of you are looking absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
My
Thank you.
question is for you, Pariniti. Now, so many girls are looking up to you, and there are so many women out there who are conscious of themselves and they are unable to express of themselves because they are, worried about how they're going to look. So, what's your message to the women who want to, do something but they are conscious of their, physical image?
Actually, I've been asked this question so much in the last 1.5 years because, and not only like people like you, but like people, women who are pregnant or they're dealing with post-pregnancy weight or teenagers who are dealing with obesity. All around the world, people, they come up to me and, tell me to tell them my story, and I always tell them this, that I literally am a fat to fit story. I literally am in the most cliched sense, and I've really struggled with my weight all my life. All these guys, they call themselves chubby. I was never chubby. I was really, really big, and I was obese and unhealthy. And I really took it upon myself, and I'm so glad that, some kind of pressure of Bollywood was there for me to really bring myself onto the right path. The amount of stamina, the amount of energy that I have today, I sleep so well, I eat so well. I mean, the fact that I could do this song for 2 days with hardly any food in me, it was because I was really fit. And it's so important for people like this to understand that they just need to be their fittest self. It doesn't matter what size they are. I was big, but I was unfit. I didn't care about my body shape as much as what it was making me feel. So they really need to achieve their fittest self at whatever size they are. Like you see these hip hop dancers in New York, they're so big, but they're so flexible and agile, and they're so fit. So they just need to go and they just need to look at my pictures, I guess. Just put them on the wall and just be like, if she can do it, we can do it.
You know, that
I
day-
did that. So,
Pariniti?
One last question we'll take.
Pariniti, on your left. Yeah.
Yes, hi.
Great to see you back. Did you miss? Yeah, after 1.5 years.
I was just in the gym. I was nowhere else.
So did you miss seeing yourself on a big screen?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. I mean, the way I entered the industry, I did like 4 films back to back, and obviously I was, like you said, very used to seeing myself. But the kind of person I am, I'm really not as filmy as all these guys are. I come from a very different discipline, and I've lived my life in a very different way. So I myself needed that. Even that emotional break, a little bit. I know it sounds stupid because I'm so new that I needed a break, but I really did. I needed to just kind of settle
You
down
felt
mentally.
like burnt out, kind of.
Yeah,
with the
I
amount,
don't
like,
know. Yeah,
work.
strangely I did because it's such a different world for me. I come from the world of banking and academics, and for me to just be in front of cameras all the time and, have that pressure and just answer your questions. I was always happy, but inside I was always like, I needed to just sort some things out. Which I feel now, like now the kind of dedication and now the kind of concentration I have on my work is only because of this break. And of course I wanted to work on my body. Yeah, I was like 27 years old. I couldn't wear a pair of shorts. So I really wanted to wear better clothes and, not worry about anything. So yeah, this 1 year break was really amazing. Like it's the best thing that has happened to me. And now like when I work, it's just so beautiful. Like
You
I
can wear
love it.
shorts now.
I can wear shorts. I can wear sleeveless.
I love wearing shorts.
Well, thank you so much, ladies
Thank
and
you.
gentlemen. It's time for a
Thank
quick
you.
photo op over here.